Well, weather-wise around here, boy, the weather is not going to be slow. We've got some great looking summer sunshine headed our way that's going to be sticking around. Well, really, it looks like for maybe at least a week. I don't think we've had this consistent a forecast all summer long. Take a look out this morning. We've got a few clouds around there, primarily up in the North Sound and actually mostly north of Payne Field. Last time I checked their ob there at the airport, they were reporting partly cloudy skies and a very quiet morning overall. Checking the view there from Salties on Alki, looking back across Elliott Bay. Still seeing some clouds out there. Just seeing the first hint of maybe seeing a little light up above those if you look closely. So it's on its way. Temperatures running mostly in the 50s, though a few places are warmer. You see 61 there in Bellevue and 59 at two of our SchoolNet sites in Ferndale and in Bellingham to start off the day. Checking the mountains, some great hiking weather again today up in the mountains. There might be a few patchy areas of clouds this morning, but clearing out to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures this afternoon in the upper 60s and low 70s. Freezing level way up above 14,000 feet. And the coastal forecast calls for clouds around this morning, but clearing out to plenty of sunshine this afternoon and warming up a few degrees over yesterday, getting to the upper 60s to the mid 70s as you start to move a little farther inland. University of Washington model showing those clouds primarily to the north. Pretty much we're seeing a few over southwestern Washington. Those go away pretty quickly. Looking at sunshine this afternoon. A little bit stronger push overnight tonight from a little system passing through BC, increases our onshore winds, but that burns right back off again to sunshine. Temperatures will stay just about the same tomorrow. Then as we head into Thursday and really all the way through the weekend and the middle part of next week, we're looking at patchy morning clouds, otherwise sunny skies and warmer temperatures, and those highs are going to be pushing into the mid to, well, might even see some upper 80s maybe the first half of next week. So today morning clouds, afternoon sun. Few more clouds tomorrow morning, both days mid to upper 70s to near 80 degrees, upper 70s and low 80s for Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we start pushing towards the mid 80s, and first half of next week it looks like we're probably going to stay sunny with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. A pretty amazing stretch of summer weather here to start off the month of September.